Alright, kind of just do a quick severe weather look for today, April 14th. You could see we have a 10% chance risk for tornadoes, which is extreme rarity for Ohio. We got southeastern Ohio included in this, west central Pennsylvania, and northern West Virginia. Also, that enhanced risk and a significant damaging wind threat. Wind gusts up to 90 to 100 miles per hour are possible with storms today, so something to keep an eye out for. Hail's not going to be a major threat. Go ahead and take a look at our surface analyst sheet. You could see we have our low pressure located in southern Indiana, 996 millibars, and that is dropping. Observations today are showing favorable conditions. Dew points are starting to increase as well as temperatures. Temperature in New Philadelphia 49, Coshocton 52, Marietta 56. Shear levels are forecast to creep up over the next 3 hours, going literally off the charts in north central Ohio around, let's see what time this is at. That will be at 4 p.m. today. Right now, our storms are rotating in western North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. Those are moving point north to northeast. And our holy city levels are expected to rise to the max across eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania, and just about all along the entire mid-Atlantic. Something definitely keep an eye out. Really worried about Cape. See if our Cape is expected to increase over the next few hours. Taking a look at our visible satellite imagery, and you could see that clouds are starting to break. North central Ohio, southwestern Ohio, central Kentucky, central Tennessee, central Alabama. That is all expected to move for the north and east throughout the rest of the day. Tornado watch in effect for eastern Georgia and western South Carolina at the moment. Looking relatively wide right now. You can see around Cleveland we don't really have any showers going on, other than in the Toledo area we have a couple isolated showers that are reported. Lastly, severe weather right now. No real rotation going on right now. Maybe there is some rotation going on with this storm. Let's tilt it a little bit, see what's going on here. Yeah, there might be a tornado there. Let's go ahead and see if there's one. No, there is not a warning, but there is a severe thunderstorm warning near Macon. There's our storm there. Wow, it's actually starting to develop a hook. Here, look at that. That's moving northeast towards Ictory and the Gordon Ivy area. So, seek shelter if you're in those areas. Honestly, taking a look at the HRRR model, you could see storms really to the south in Georgia, South Carolina begin to dry out, as well as really across North Carolina start to dry out as well. It's not until about 4 o'clock that we start developing our supercells across central and eastern Ohio. These are going to be storms very much like storms like we saw in 1985. They're starting to take on that look on the models, so very rare for Ohio. You can see the elusive swaths. Favorable for tornadoes east of Ravenna, up to Newton Falls, and then down to Andover and Orwell area, looks like. Tuscarawas, Sugar Creek, New Philly, east to Navarre, and Youngstown. There.
Why does he do that?
And then we got our snowstorm in Chicago. That's moving east. Already reports of around 4 to 6 inches in the Chicago area. They're expected to get another 4 to 5 inches. So it's going to be a really big day weather-wise. Temperatures are going to increase immensely. Expecting highs in the expecting temperatures to rise about 20 degrees in about 3 hours. Temperatures today across eastern Ohio and along the entire mid-Atlantic expected to be in the mid-70s to low 80s minimum today. 990 millibars is that low moves northeast, and wind gust, you can see with our supercells, are going to increase immensely. Just go ahead and look at Pivotal for our sounding for today across eastern Ohio today. Looking at our maps, we're going to go ahead and probably pinpoint the probably going to go up to Sugar Creek today around 3 or 2:30 or something. Let's see. I think it's going to be best to pinpoint Route 62, because Route 62 I think is going to be where the highlight of the severe weather is going to be today. I just have a bad feeling about today. I don't know why. It just seems like one of those days. Oh yeah, I was supposed to show you Pivotal. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings, all on Illinois, Indiana, Michigan. Those are probably going to move east as Ohio is expected to get 2 to 4 inches of snow tomorrow. So, pretty crazy that we're seeing this late in the year. Snow, but it's fine. God, this is going to be insane. Go ahead and take a look closer at the range here. See what we're dealing with. This is going to be a bad day. Let's go ahead and put... Oh my god, look at all the supercells that are going to be up in the air then, guys. This is crazy. Kind of reminds me of November 3rd a little bit. 2016. That was a day Brexville saw the microburst. Oh my god, massive supercell around 7 p.m. Storms are going to take off in this extreme squall line. Look at our tornado parameter. Oh my god. Explosive. Literally explosive. Go ahead and look for the sounding today. This is before severe weather is expected to take off right near Sugar Creek. sounding. What are they calling for? They are calling for tornadoes today. Our hotograph could have a wider curve. However, I think with the Cape today, that's probably likely going to develop, as we're already seeing. It's starting to kind of mix out. Not really concerned about there being not enough instability today, given cloud cover rate at the moment. Our cap should be well above 1,000 today. Most all areas are calling for tornadoes. Nothing large, nothing extreme. So maybe 1985 was stressing it a little bit too much, way too much. 1985 is not going to happen today. Maybe 2016, 2017. With 5 minutes left, we're going to just go ahead and show you guys our like look. What we usually see with setups like this. Let's see how it's faring. How about we do Eastern Canton right now. So you can see around the area, we don't really tend to see strong tornadoes. Probably going to see maybe 1 or 2 EF1s today, based on the dynamics of the setup today. So let's go ahead and just do future forecast. Give it a couple hours. I think we could be seeing an event. We're probably going to see an event like 2016, maybe 2002, because we might see an EF2 isolated. Who knows? Very strong jet today. That's why we're seeing the extreme severe weather that's been happening yesterday across Mississippi, where we saw that EF3 hit. Really rare. Bad severe weather outbreak. Looking ahead for the next 3 days, we're expecting to see another severe weather outbreak, possibly tornadic outbreak, again on Wednesday. That area is probably going to be in the Midwest and Eastern Plains, so Iowa to Kansas to Oklahoma, down to Texas and Louisiana. And then by Thursday, expect that to shift a little bit east into Illinois, Western Ohio, and Indiana. And then by Friday, expect severe weather to be across Ohio, West Virginia, you name it, across the East Coast. So, well into severe weather season. Make sure you have a plan today if you are living in Ohio and West Virginia, Western PA. Extreme tornado threat today. 10% chance. Just 5% down from what we saw yesterday. So extreme. And yesterday we had a 15%, and you could see we had 21 tornadoes. A lot of those, still not all the way official yet. Yesterday we had 3 fatalities. 26 injuries, and over 30 people are still missing in that area in Hamilton, Mississippi this morning. So, pretty extreme day there. Wind advisory is also in effect. Okay, it's not going to be good today. Okay. Flash flooding also possible today, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So if you're out storm chasing Eastern Ohio, make sure you have a 4x4. I do not have 4x4. Yeah. Alright. Peace.